This is our sixth lecture for the pieces. So let's start. The first Umayyad Qadi was Amir Muawiyah radiallahu anhu, who made first authentic translation of Quran in English. Abdullah Yusuf Ali. The holy book was called related to Injil. The chemical name of laughing gas is nitrous oxide. A mobile phone sends and receive messages through radio waves. What type of infection is tuberculosis bacterial? Where is the headquarters of Interpol Lyon? The Association of Southeast Asian Nation ASEAN has headquarters at Jakarta. The Asian Development Bank is located in Manila. Who was the first Viceroy of India, Lord Canning? The belt of the low atmospheric pressure on either side of equator is called doldrum. The card rate on diamond is 2.5%. Who was the first Defense Minister of Pakistan, Yaqut Ali Khan, who is authorized to impose restriction on fundamental rights? President, who is the 44th President of USA, Barack Obama. 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. Nobel Prize of Literature 1907 was given to Rudyard Kipling. Name the helicopter used in Ahmedabad incident. Black Hawk. Third largest religion in the world is Hinduism. Newly born country of the world is Genghis. Country of the world is South Sudan. What is the capital of Libya? Tripoli. Gas-based bids are made by using unit of BTU. Most appropriate meaning of assimilate is absorb. What is the meaning of indent is to put into writing. Oasis is associated with desert. Who is Anna Hazare, activist of India? Blood sugar is measured in milligram per deciliter. Blood pressure is measured in mmHg. When ice melts, its density increases up to 4 degrees centigrade because the water has maximum density at 4 degrees centigrade. Famous painting, The Birth of Venus, is painting by Sandro Botticelli. Water lily or nymphes is a series of approximately 250 oil painting painted by the French Impressionist Claude Mount. The most famous painting of all time, the Mona Lisa, was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. During the Renaissance in Florence, he began painting the Mona Lisa in 1503 and 1504 and finished it shortly before he died in 1519. The Night was painted by Rembrandt van Rijn. The dogs playing poker in the collective name of 16th oil painting painted by C.M. Cloge. The School of Athens is one of the most famous painting of Raphael. Famous painting Las Menas painted by the Dago. Velzico's Wrestler Mother is a famous painting of the James McNeill. Wrestler who painted his mother Anna McNeill. Wrestler famous painting The Scream painted by Edward Monk. The Kiss was painted by Gustavo Clement. The famous painting Son of Man was painted by Denny McGrath. Professor Abdul Rahim Nagori was Pakistani painter known for his socio-political theme. Abdul Rahman Chogtai is considered the first scientist, first significant modern Muslim artist from South Asia and nationalist Abdul Rahman Chogtai, he is considered the first significant modern Muslim artist from South Asia and national artist of Pakistan. Anna Maluk Ahmad was the first famous Pakistani artist and pioneer of the art in the country after independence. In 1947, she was professor of fine arts at the University of Punjab in Lahore. Sayyid Sadiq Khan, Ahmad Naqvi, Tamgai Imtiaz, pride of performance. Sitaya Imtiaz, also often referred to Sadiq Khan. Naqash was the world-renowned Pakistani artist, best known for his skill as calligrapher and a painter. Sadiq Khan also painted the classical literature from the poetic verse of Ghalib Iqbal Faiz. He belonged to the school of thought which enriched realism with lyricism. Sadiq Khan illustrated French Nobel Prize winning writer Albert Camus, Ghalib Iqbal and Faiz. Sir Nawab Salimullah Khan was the founder of the All India Muslim League. Muhammad Ali Johar helped Qaid-e-Azam in preparation of 14th point. Wall Street in USA is known for stock exchange. Who wrote Nehru Report? Motilal Nehru. Who coined the name All India Muslim League? Sir Muhammad Shafi. The first country recognized Pakistan after independence was Iran. The longest serving Chief Justice of Pakistan was Justice A.R. Cornelius. The first dry port of Pakistan was established in 1974 at Lahore. The oldest news agency of Pakistan is the Associated Press of Pakistan. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali coined the name Pakistan. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali wrote the pamphlet Now and Never. What is the total area of Islamabad? 906 square kilometer. Who first translated the Holy Quran in Persian? Shabalullah Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan was the only Pakistani 1890 to 1988 who got Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award of India in 1987. Pakistan joined UNESCO in 14 September 1949. 2014 Commonwealth Games held in Scotland. Aristophanes is the father of comedy, who is regarded as the father of medicine. Hippocrates, who is called the father of international law. Hugo Grotius was known as man of destiny. Napoleon, who is called little corporal Napoleon. Song of Blood and Sword book is written by Fatma Bhutto. What is the old name of the Atak Kambalpur? Old name of Pakistan is the Jodhpur by Akbar the Great. What is the new name of Hindu Bagh? Muslim Bagh. Agrophobia means fear of open spaces. A team of Geological Survey of Pakistan has made Pakistan first ever discovery of dinosaur fossil in Barkhan district of Balochistan. Antarctic desert is the largest desert of the world. A desert is defined as a region that has less than 254 millimeters 10 inches of annual rainfall or precipitation. Antarctica can be classified as a desert by this definition. In the interior of continent, the average annual precipitation is equivalent of water is only about 50 millimeters, about 2 inches less than in Sahara. The Lahore resolution was prepared by A.K. Fazl Haq, then Chief Minister of Bengal, on 23rd March 1940, and Lahore resolution was passed on 24th March 1940. Mount Everest is also known as Chemologoma, meaning goddess mother of snow in the Tibetan, and Sagarmatha, meaning mother of universe in Nepalese. Its height is 29,035 feet and 8,850 meters, which is 7 feet more than previous measurement, which was made in 1956. Taksim Square, located in Turkey. Tahrir Square is a major public town square in the downtown Cairo, Egypt. Sadi Bashar is a neighborhood in the Montaza district of Alexander, Egypt. The 6th October Bridge is an elevated highway in central Cairo, Egypt. Abdul Salam prison is the top security prison in Tripoli, Libya, which is often described as notorious. Bab al-Azizia, this splendid garret was a military barracks and compound situated in the southern suburb of Tripoli, the capital of Libya. Gulina Bridge is a bridge in Benghazi, Libya. It has 3-span more structure, which was originally built in the 1970s but was rehabilitated in 2005 by Bilfinger Berger. The Martyr Square, also known as Green Square under the Gaddafi government, Independence Square during the monarch, and originally known as Piazza Italy Square in the city of Tripoli, Libya. Maidan al-Shajara, the Tree Square, is the major town in Benghazi, the second largest city in Libya. Metiga International Airport is the airport in Libya, located about 8 kilometers 5 miles east of Tripoli city center. Zuccotti Park, formerly called Liberty Plaza Park, is 33,000 square feet, 3,100 meters per square, publicly accessible park in the Lower Manhattan, New York City. George Square is the principal civic square in the city of Glasgow, Scotland. It is named after King George III. St Andrew Square is the city square of Edinburgh, Scotland, located at the east of George Street. Dam Street is the Dublin's behind the Temple Bar area of the city. The Olympic Park in London, England, is a sporting complex under construction for the 2012 Summer Olympics and 2012 Summer Paralympics, situated in the east of the city, adjacent to Stratford City Development, on which river Milani Dam is built. Dasht River. When was the Qasas and Bayat Ordinance in force? On 13th October 1919. Whose title Chris Mission was opposed? Daily Chef of the Christian Bank, Mahatma Gandhi. Dhaka Poshi mountain peak is located near Sawat Valley. Name the poet who had command over the 7 languages such as Samast, The rank of which sultan is said to be marked the highest point of territorial expansion of the Sultanate Muhammad bin Taghlaq. What was the main reason behind Muslim League failure in election of 1937? The organizational problem and opposition by locals. Who was the author of My Indian Years? Lord Henry. The book Verdict on India was written by Beverly Nicholas. Ibn Battuta was a Moorish. Babarnama is a biography. The founder of two-nation theory is considered to be Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. During the Tashkent Agreement, the foreign minister of Pakistan was Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Chachnama was originally written in Sindhi. Friday was declared for the first time as an official weekly holiday by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Neelam River flows into Jhelum. When Gilgit Agency was set up in 1873. Satpura Lake is located near Skardu. Mehbad Khan Mosque, Masjid of Peshawar are destroyed by fire. But the ranking of third desert in the world is 9. Nippon is the old name of Japan. What is the main difficulty with this delayed constitution making in Pakistan? Distribution of power between federal and provincial government. A group of zebra is called a herd. Area around the river is called Bila. When Pakistan established first atomic energy institution, January 1955, named the saint who came in Lahore, Sheikh Ismail. When the local government system under the devolution of power plan 2001 inaugurated 14th August 2001, when Pakistan got first loan from USA 1952, in which year Quaid-e-Azam went to self-exile in London 1931, Gandhi called Pakistan resolution a moral wrong. How many Mughal emperors ruled our subcontinent? 17. Who constructed 5 canals to remove scarcity of water? Firoz Shah Taghlaq. Persia is the old name of Iran. Defense pact between US and Pakistan in 1954. Logarithm table was invented by John Napier. Which is the best source of protein? Fish. Most commonly used bleaching agent is chlorine. Lime is sometimes applied to soil in order to increase the alkalinity of soil. Universal Postal Union Agency related to the United Nations is the oldest UN agency. Microphone is used to convert sound wave into electrical energy. Penicillin is widely used as an antibiotic. The air we inhale is mixture of gases. Nitrogen in the mixture is highest in percentage. Steel is more elastic than rubber because the ratio strain is more. Or stress 2. The chief constituent of gobar gas is methane. The General Assembly of UNO meet every year in regular session which begin in third Tuesday in September every year. The frequency of radio waves is highest. The Chief Administrative Office of UNO, which coordinate and supervise the activities of UNO, is the Secretariat. The latitudinal differences in pressure delineate a number of major pressure zones which correspond with the zone of climate. Front line of fortification built in 1934 along with a German border from Switzerland to Belgium was called Magnoid Line. Which river from the Grand Canyon is United States is Colorado? What is ORBIS? Mobile Eye Hospital. The foundation stone of Sikhism. Holiest place Golden Temple at Amritsar was laid by Hazrat Mian Mir. Muslim Student Federation was established in 1937 by Raja Sahib Mahmudabad. Volcano Fiso is the new name of Upper Volta. International Anti-Corruption Day is observed on 9 December. Mount Blanc Mountain is present in France. The Tasmania is separated from Australia by Bass Strait. The wonder of the world Taj Mahal is situated in Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The life history of human malaria parasite and Anopheles was first described by Ronald Rose. Riksdag is the parliament of Sweden. The distance between Earth and the Sun is smallest in the month of January. Perry de Coubertin is said to be the father of modern Olympics. Orange is the name of the river of South Africa. Alexander Hamilton was the founder of Republican Party of USA. Churchill Waterfall is present in Canada. The first Winter Olympics Games were held in Chamonix, France. Sigmund Freud is a psychiatrist who belonged to Austria. George Washington was succeeded by John Adams. Le Havre is a seaport of France. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan did his PhD from Libyan University, Belgium. Ghaffar Fort is located in Provence, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Atmospheric pressure at sea level is 760 mm. Johor Strait separated from Malaysia and Singapore. Gypsum is used in cement industry and plaster of Paris. Sun Temple of Karnataka is located in Orissa. Teacher Day is observed internationally on 5 October. The Japanese Prime Minister at the time of World War II was Hedvig Tojo. Island of Cloves is the nickname of Madagascar. Sangora is the place of worship of Judaism. Kiev city is the city of Park. Pakistan, People's Great Hurriyar is the Parliament of Mongolia. The Kantor is the mayor of topography. The Himalayan mountain system belongs to four mountains. Pakistan mainly imports edible oil from Malaysia. The river is flows in Balochistan. A cyclone is a system of wind in which wind blows slightly toward the center or of low pressure. Los Angeles is the favorite place of the film production. Radiocarbon dating process is used to find the age of fossil. A light year is the unit of distance. Jaffna is situated in Sri Lanka. Jupiter is a planet with maximum number of moons. Pine trees are grown in coniferous forest. Black soil is best suited for the cultivation of cotton. Kimberley is famous for a diamond. South Africa. Kashgar city is located in China. Russia is the greatest producer of manganese in the world. Oslo is the capital of Norway. Khajra Pass connects Pakistan with China. Bharat is the currency of Thailand. Taka is the currency of Bangladesh. Agra is famous for Taj Mahal. 10 Downing Street. London is the official residence of Prime Minister of UK. Yellow Sea is near China. The part of the Earth's surface is covered with water, approximately 71%. Proposed Kalabagh Dam is located in Indus. South China Sea is the largest sea in the world. The Earth rotates on its axis from west to east. The biggest producer of tea in the world is China. Warsaw is the capital of Poland. The White House is situated in USA. Day and night are equal duration when the sun rays are vertically on the equator. The island of Dago Garcia in the Indian Ocean belongs to Mauritius. Red cleft line between Pakistan and India. Longitude is the line from north to south pole. Equatorial region are region of permanent low pressure. High tides occur when sun and the moons are on straight line on the opposite sides of the earth. China is the biggest gold producer in the world. Citrus fruits are normally grown in Mediterranean region. All rocks may be classified into three major groups such as igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Copenhagen is the capital of Denmark. Newcastle is the important port of England, which is famous for coal industry. Venus is the nearest to the Earth. Temperature decrease at a height increase. The biggest producer of groundnut peanut is China. Kanpur Dam is on Horo River. The cutting of forests may cause rise in temperature. Port Stanley is the capital of Falkland Island. Rawal Dam is on Korang River. Thunder Dam is on Kohat River. Kohatai. Kampala is the capital of Uganda. In the southern hemisphere, Earth is farthest from the sun on 21st June. The coldest month in Australia are July and August. Gomal Dam is on Gomal River. Volga River to the Caspian Sea. Aswan Dam is located in Egypt. Mirani Dam is on River Dasht. The stars are not visible in the daytime because the sun brightness during daytime. Aurora borealis is a phenomenon of light seen in the northern hemisphere. Attak oil refinery is at the Mohugarh, Rawalpindi. The border line between Pakistan and Afghanistan is Durand line. The revolution of Earth around the sun is called changes of season. Ghana is the capital, biggest producer of cocoa. McMahon line is between India and China. Wind is called the unequal heating of the atmosphere by sun. In northern hemisphere, the longest day is 21st June. Condensation of water vapor in the atmosphere on particle of dust lead to the formation of fog. Sahara is the second biggest desert in the world. Africa is the second biggest continent. A group of interconnected islands is called archipelago. The Himalayas mountain belong to the four mountain. The shape of Earth is oblate spheroid. Mediterranean climate is characterized by rainy winter and dry summer. A strip of land connecting mainland with peninsula is called Gulf. Yen is the currency of Japan. Antitrust law was meant to prevent monopolies. Biosphere is a part of the earth crust, water and atmosphere where plant and animal can subsist. Europe is completely situated in the northern hemisphere. Mount Everest is the highest point in Asia. Dead Sea is the lowest point in Asia. Mount McKinley is the highest point in North America. Caspian Sea is the lowest point in Central Asia. Koh Sultan has 738,000 ton sulfur reserve. Sandy Kohe, Mirani, Sibi, Salat have copper desert. Caribbean Sea is in South America. Pressure is represented on map joining all plates having the same pressure by means of line. These lines are called isobar. Sahara Desert is situated in northern Africa. Greenland is the biggest island in the world. About 29.7% of the world land is occupied by Asia. Temperature is represented on map by joining places having the same average temperature by meaning of lines. These lines are called isotherms. Rainfall is measured in inches by means of rain gauges. Rainfall may be recorded on the map by isolate. Nimbus is a class of the cloud meaning a rain cloud. Kila Katas is near Cho Sadan Shah. Kila Darawar is near Bhavalpur. Maximum wind speed, pressure deficit and radius of the eye are the factors contributing to severity of cyclone. Suez Canal opened for tariff in 1869. Mediterranean and Red Sea are connected by Suez Canal. The Earth rotates around the axis once in 24 hours. Earth takes 4 minutes to cover 1 degree of latitude. Delta is triangular piece of land formed by the deposition of mud and silt. Pacific and Atlantic Oceans are connected by the Panama Canal. Balahasar is a fort near Peshawar. Sakhar Barrage is the biggest barrage of Pakistan. The color of the lunar soil is greyish. Venus, Italy is city of canals. Lake Baikal, Russia is the world's biggest freshwater lake. Al-Azhar University is the oldest university at Egypt. Japan is known as the land of rising sun. Norway is called land of midnight sun. George is narrow passage land. Khyber Pass is the legendary pass that links Pakistan with Afghanistan. Bangkok, Thailand is known as Venus of East. USA is the biggest exporter of corn. The oldest university of Pakistan is the Punjab University. The biggest mosque in Pakistan is Shah Faisal Mosque, Islamabad. China is the biggest fish catching country. Japan is the biggest motor vehicle producer. China is the biggest tobacco producing country in the world. China is the biggest bicycle producing country. USA is the biggest arm exporter country. Eden Garden is famous playground in Calcutta for cricket. Eiffel Tower is in France. Pittsburgh, USA is famous for iron and steel center. Great Street of London is famous for newspaper. Norway is called land of midnight sun. Vatican City is the official residence of Pope of Rome. White House is the official residence of US President. Mount Blanc is the highest mountain in Europe. 38 parallel line is the boundary line between South and North Korea. Wall Street is located in North Korea. Wall Street is located in New York. Ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Wall Street is located in New York. Ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. Hyde Park is in London. Abadan is famous for oil refinery. Hotline is a direct telephone line between head of government. Switzerland is called playground of Europe. Rome is called the city of Seven Hills. Most white country is Canada. Mesopotamia was the old name of Iraq. Kairism when he joined All India Muslim League at the age of 37. Ayub Khan has shortest tenure as Prime Minister. When President Ziaul Haq enforced interim constitution 1981. What is the old name of Pakistan? Ajudpur. Who is the founder of Unionist Party? Sir Fazl Hussain. Indonesia has the greatest number of volcanoes in the world. Red Square is located in Moscow. Pasteluz Desert is in Iran. Virginia, the state of USA, is called Mother of President. Chinese is the most spoken language. The world highest waterfall is Angel Fall, Venezuela. Hamida Mirza is the first female Speaker of the National Assembly of Pakistan. George Herbert Walker Bush was Director of Central Intelligence and later became the President of USA. Umarkot Fort is located in Sindh. Peninsula is a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. Mexico is the only English-speaking country in Latin America. Acap is a geological name for land ends. Karakoram Highway is a miracle of the engineering work. Pakistan and China joined by this highway. Berbera Dam is built on River Indus. Ruby is a precious gemstone. Myanmar is famous for the ruby mineral in South Asia. Switzerland is known as playground of Europe. Chittagong is a major seaport of Bangladesh. Mongolia is landlocked from all sides by Russia and China. Stock raising is the major agricultural activity of Mongolia. Belgium is usually corporate of Europe. Russia is the biggest in area. Vatican City is smallest in area. Vasco da Gama was the Portuguese explorer who discovered the direct route from Europe to India 1498 by sailing around Africa. Berlin Wall was built in 1961. Alps is the highest mountain of Europe. Copper Belt is situated in Zimbabwe, Uganda, Kenya and Tanzania are surrounded the Lake Victoria. Dakar is the main seaport of Senegal. The new name of Burma is Myanmar. Addis Ababa is the capital of Ethiopia. Congo River passes through the Congo and Zaire. The country which has the world's oldest constitution is USA. Istanbul is an important city of Turkey. One of the part of the city is in Europe, another part is in Asia. The Sea of Marmara separates Europe and Asia. Turkey. Chile is located on the southwest coast of South America. Spanish is the major language of Chile. Chile is located in southwest coast of South America. Spanish is the major language of Chile. World largest gas field is in Russia. Liverpool is the world's oldest railway station. Kalahari is the famous desert in Africa. It is situated in Botswana. The new name of Rangoon is Yangon. Island of Sardinia is a tourist attraction located in Turkey. The country which is locked from all sides is Aegean Sea is Greece. Baffin is the biggest Canadian island. The biggest in area in the Muslim area is Kazakhstan. Black Sea is in the north of Turkey. The biggest ocean of the world is Pacific Ocean. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Black Sea is the north of Turkey. And the biggest ocean in the world is Pacific Ocean. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Kenya and Indonesia lies on equator. Hematite is the most important ore of iron. Diamond topaz is made of a single element, which is carbon. The least populous continent of the world is Australia. The most uninhabited continent of the world is Antarctica. The Statue of Liberty of the world, largest metal statue, tangible pledge of the French-American friendship, stand on the upper New York Bay. It is gifted to America by France in 1877.